Well, my biggest problem was trying to find a place where I could put all my tools. In system administration, you have a lot of tools. They're spread out all over the place, and just trying to find a place to put everything into one window and be able to manage that, especially across multiple users.
I moved to Remote Desktop Manager because I was a vExpert, so I had a free license, but the product I was using before had a very expensive structure, so it almost fell in my lap as a salvation to my problem.
We used a lot of different systems of documentation, and every technician has its own way to solve problems, and so we get all the solutions and the know-how into one tool.
Being more efficient, utilizing my time better, giving a product that doesn't, where I use the product to get the job done basically, a tool that doesn't get in the way but actually assists you, that helps you accomplish your tasks. Yeah, that's, if you sum it up, yeah.
I would have to say it's really the user management and the ability to control access, what my users are able to do, and beyond that, just the fact that it connects to so many different tools, SSH and RDP and VNC and just all these other things. Plus the fact that I can use PowerShell scripts within it. So I can consolidate everything into one place and be able to deploy that in a way that my users can have access to it, but I can control that access.
We've had multiple clients in the last year or two have privileged access user problems. One was about $1 million. Another one was just basically a personality. So we had to totally revamp all their passwords, across SQL, Windows, local admins, and by doing that within RDM, we didn't have to go and find out all that information. It was already there for our users to then access the secure systems and do whatever needed to be done. So it allowed us to respond very quickly to what could have been a business-ending experience for some of these companies that we work with. So that's kind of the most recent value, but there's always value in it for me.
People are new maybe to the place you're working. You can share all the work you already input into the system. So utilizing when new resources are there, they're easier to access for new people. That's the biggest win. Time saver for everyone.
Do it. It's so worth it. It's just it's hard to explain how many features are available there and what it can do for you without really looking into it and trying it. I've been using it for over 5 years, and I still find new things every day, every time I use it.
You can set up your private groups, you can have security levels. There's no need to manually manage it in 15 places. It's in one place, and you can lock it down as tight as you need it to or open it up as broad as you need it to, but it's one management point for all those things.
Utilizing the central data store, that's the most important part. It makes everyone more efficient.
Just do it.